Every few seconds, a moon smaller than Arizona is spraying tons of its own ocean straight into space, and NASA's Cassini spacecraft flew right through the spray to prove it. The moon is Enceladus, one of Saturn's smallest, where cracks near the South Pole shoot geysers of salty water more than 300 miles above the surface. Most of that water falls back down as snow, but a fraction escapes for good and drifts off to build one of Saturn's rings. Enceladus, in the plainest sense, is bleeding itself into space. Cassini first caught the plumes on camera in 2005, and scientists traced them to 4 parallel fractures nicknamed the tiger stripes, each roughly 80 miles long. Surface temperatures on Enceladus sit near -330 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze nitrogen solid, yet infrared scans show the tiger stripes glowing warm against the ice around them. Under that crust, 20 to 30 miles thick in places, sits an entire ocean of liquid salt water wrapped around the moon like a hidden layer of skin. That buried ocean is exactly what keeps firing out through the cracks. The real surprise came in 2015, when Cassini dove straight through a plume and sampled it like a chemist catching a sneeze in a test tube. It found silica grains that only form when water touches rock hotter than 190 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning the ocean floor is running hydrothermal vents, the same kind that build chimneys at Yellowstone, sealed under miles of ice on a moon of Saturn. New footage and findings like this get broken down here every single day, so subscribe now if you don't want to miss tomorrow's. Here's the part that stumped scientists: nothing about Enceladus should be warm enough to keep an ocean liquid. It's over 800 million miles from the Sun, sitting in permanent deep freeze, and it's barely 313 miles across, too small to hold on to leftover heat from its formation. The heat instead comes from Saturn itself, whose gravity flexes and squeezes the moon on every orbit, the same kind of friction that keeps your hands warm when you rub them together, just scaled up to planet-sized ice. Drop a comment below if you'd want to see a spacecraft fly through that spray yourself. That friction-driven ocean isn't just warm, it's chemically active. Cassini detected hydrogen gas in the plume, the exact ingredient microbes near Earth's own deep-sea vents use to make energy out of nothing but rock and water. Combine that hydrogen with the carbon dioxide and organic molecules Cassini also found, and you get the same chemical recipe some scientists think kicked off life in Earth's oceans billions of years ago. NASA has floated a mission called Enceladus Orbalander, aiming to land near those tiger stripes and taste the spray directly for signs of life. So the ocean leaking out of Enceladus right now isn't just ice turning to gas, it's a warm, salty, chemically alive sea venting itself into Saturn's rings in real time. Every geyser is a sample already delivered, waiting for a spacecraft patient enough to catch it and check. Hit the bell so you don't miss it when scientists finally get their answer. Enceladus has been leaking its secret for 20 years, and we might be one mission away from finding out what's swimming in it.